Single mother with a teenage daughter, got their eye on the Ivy League. 26 miles for a one-legged soldier, they're all cheering back at Walter Reed. Everywhere another everyday hero is a winner in the long, hard run. Breaking through, gonna prove, yeah, how to do what can't be done. It's leaning in when the wind is against you. It's steady up, hopeless as it seems. It's getting up every time they knock you down. It's reaching for impossible dreams. I believe in a world that's better. I believe with all my heart. I believe we can come together, shine a light so the night won't be so dark. I believe that a dream worth dreaming is a dream worth fighting for. When your heart's on the line and you're crying, when you feel like you can't fight anymore. It's leaning in when the wind is against you. It's steady on, hopeless as it seems. Getting up every time they knock you down. It's reaching for impossible dreams. They're gonna tell you you can't beat the odds, but don't bow down to any lesser gods. There's a power inside you, with the power to guide you. Just believe and lean in when the wind is against you. Steady on.